Welcome back. In this video, I want to go through a couple of list building methods that I use to build my list. And I know there's hundreds of list building and traffic methods out there, but I just want to talk about what works for me and stuff that's based on my experience. Okay, so I mean, this isn't necessarily the best traffic or list building methods out there, but these are the ones that I use and they work for me. Okay, so I'm mainly in the internet marketing niche, and I use this solo ad network called udemy.com to find solo ad vendors. Now, if you don't know what a solo ad is basically where you pay someone who has a list to email their list with your free offer. Okay, you can purchase 100 clicks from them, 50 clicks, 1,000 clicks, and so on. So on this site, you can filter out which sellers you want to look for. You can find ones with good ratings. You can sort them by price and so on. Okay, and I try to buy a solo ad every day so that I have continuous flow of new subscribers coming into my funnel that I can promote affiliate products to, because I try to email my list every day with affiliate offers. Now, if you're not in the internet marketing niche and you want to find solo ad vendors, you could do a Google search, try to find other people in your niche, um, you know, product creators and so on that you could contact and ask if they could do a solo ad for you. Okay, and there are also Facebook solo ad groups out there that you can find. You could also go on ClickBank to find potential solo ad vendors, because on ClickBank, these are product creators who have responsive buyer lists. So find people in your niche and ask them if they could email their list your free offer. Okay. Now the second list building method I want to talk about is product launching. Okay, a lot of people use product launching to make a lot of money. I'm sure you've heard of people launching a product and generating hundreds or millions of dollars. That's great. I launch products and I generate a windfall of cash. That's great. But one of the main reasons I like launching products is that you get an influx of new buyers added to your list. And a buyer, the general rule of thumb is a buyer is worth 10 times more than a freebie seeker.